Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Cardano from your Phantom wallet to Gemini in 2025. If you're holding Cardano and want to move it to a secure exchange like Gemini for trading or storage, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. Crypto can be intimidating, but don't worry, I'll break it down simply so you can do this with confidence. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged in. Phantom is a popular wallet for handling cryptocurrencies like Cardano, so double-check that your wallet is updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Once you're in, navigate to your Cardano holdings. You'll see your balance right there. Take a moment to confirm how much you want to withdraw. Next, head over to the Send or Withdraw section in Phantom. This is usually found by tapping on the Cardano asset or using the main menu. Now, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. For Gemini, go to your Gemini account, find your Cardano deposit address, and copy it carefully. Remember, crypto addresses are case-sensitive, so avoid any typos to prevent losing your funds. After pasting the address, enter the amount of Cardano you want to send. Most wallets, including Phantom, will show you the transaction fees up front. Aim for a standard fee to keep costs low. Review everything. The address, the amount, and the network. Make sure it's set to the Cardano blockchain. Once you're satisfied, hit Confirm and approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Now, sit tight. Blockchain transactions take time, often a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion in 2025. You can track the status in Phantom or on a blockchain explorer like Cardano's official site. Once it's confirmed, hop over to your Gemini account and refresh your dashboard. Your Cardano should appear in your balance. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn Cardano from Phantom to Gemini. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, check Gemini's support or community forums. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.